Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Terre Haute, local and long distance movers near me. Are you moving across the state or the country? We can help get you there. Planning a long distance move requires a keen eye for details, a good understanding of state legislation and regulations, as well as a great team with a can do attitude. At 3 Movers, we check all the boxes. Our moving company is. Our team of movers will arrive at your doorstep at the agreed time and date. We are professionals and handle all your belongings, and they are safe with us. We are open and upfront about our costs and don't try to push any hidden or last minute fees on our customers. We also analyze our needs and requests first before giving you an estimate. Our movers are professionals and know how to handle various types of objects, but because we understand that we can't control everything, we offer insurance for all the items our moving team handles. We understand that moving is a stressful thing for you, so our experienced movers will do their best to answer all your questions and keep you informed. Whether you need to move your 4-bedroom house, a small apartment, or business, our local movers will ensure that your belongings are safe from the moment we step into your house and until you are settled into your new location. We can also provide all the packing and moving supplies you need and assist you every step of the way. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Terre Haute moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.